Hello guys, good morning. This is a video that we're gonna do on request. Somebody has asked me to do it. This student is on the Rhino for Jewellery course, but I'm gonna do it in Rhino. But today I'm gonna show you something a bit unusual. I wanna make like a brief introduction to a plugin called Peacock. Peacock is a plugin. I'll put the website here. Which it's gonna be on Food for Rhino. Peacock. It's a plugin for Grasshopper. Peacock Food for Rhino. This is a plugin that basically allows for some jewelry tools inside Grasshopper. Right, this is not something that I teach because I don't teach things that I don't know. I simply provide advice and guidance. So basically, Peacock allows to make jewelry in a very parametric and dynamic way. Okay, I am merely a beginner in Grasshopper and Peacock. In all honesty, I don't really have a lot of interest. The way I see it, it's closer to programming than to modeling. But still, I'm gonna use it because, as I did mention before, I'm no longer using Matrix. I'm using Rhino. This is due to all the situation with Matrix Gold and everything. So I kind of push myself to keep doing what I'm doing without Matrix. It's been 2 months almost, and it's working. I don't really need Matrix. Anyway, I might make another video explaining advantages or disadvantages of no longer using Matrix and using Rhino. Bear in mind that I've been using Rhino for over 15 years, so each situation might be different. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to use Peacock just to do the finger rail. The finger rail, which we would usually do by doing this. I'm going to do this in Peacock just so that you have a very basic introduction. Okay, so you will need to open Grasshopper. It works alongside your Rhino, and then once your plugin is here set up, you will need to install Peacock. All you will need to do, I'm just do the finger rail. So I'm gonna go here and just put that box here. Okay, that will create a circle in there, right? We need to put it on the plane. So we need to give information about which plane we want the curve to be. In this case, it's gonna be, if you look here on the bottom left, you have the axis. So I'm gonna do this XZ plane. So it's gonna be this plane. So I'm gonna do it like this. Okay. If I was to do this, so if I choose another plane, you see the circle will change. Okay. So I'm gonna disconnect this, disconnect this one, and I'm gonna delete it because I don't want it anymore. Okay, so this is the plane, this is the finger rail. You see when I selected, it highlights here, and then I'm gonna put whoa, sorry, this goes here. Okay, so then that's the plane, and then the region, what I could do is use this one, and it will automatically find the region that I want to use. Okay, I'm in London, so I'm gonna go with British. If I want another one, I will just change it. Okay, then I can simply copy paste this, and then I will have a drop down menu of which finger rail I want to use. Okay, this is the only bit that I use in Peacock right now. I can do other basic stuff, but this is a very good replacement for Matrix or Matrix Gold. Okay, of course you can Google and just draw a circle, but just bear in mind that you can save it and then you always have it here. Okay, then last thing would be to make a curve, so you have that curve. Okay, and then well, whenever you choose the right size, which in my case is gonna be size L. Okay, so we just right click, press bake, okay, and okay. So now I have a curve here. If I don't press bake, the curve will not really show up in here, okay. Okay, that's the super basic introduction to Peacock, okay.